What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm hoping you guys are doing awesome today. Today is a beautiful day outside, so I thought, okay, I'll just go ahead and I'll make a video. So today we're gonna talk about my portfolio. Um, if you guys are following me in YouTube, then I'm having portfolio about 179k, and I'm adding a lot of new positions right now, and especially on the growth stock. So as you can see, I have added a few new stocks which are hyper growth. So as you can see, C3.ai, I have added 100 shares on it. I have added in Butterfly Network, I have 200 shares on Butterfly, and also I have added few more like PLTR, Fubo. I have 287 on Fubo TV, PLTR, and then Tattooed Shape stock. So there are a few more I have added. I gonna add few more. I think in future, if the market goes further down, definitely I gonna add more. And you might now you might be thinking that why I'm adding all those growth stock instead of dividend. So here's the thing, guys. Many people were asking me also, like, why I'm owning so many stock and why are you in more, going in a growth rather than dividend. So I can answer those questions to you guys today. So the reason why I'm owning more than about I have like 71 holdings, and you know why I'm holding more stocks. The reason is I want to diversify my portfolio. I don't want to like, I want to minimize the risk. And if you talk about my earlier experience, right? I mean, I used to hold huge positions on very few stocks within like those limited stock, and when those goes down or something happened, let's say management decided something stupid and then prices are gone, really down. I'm talking about like 60-70% down. One example I can give you with me particularly in the stock is VRX. If you guys are familiar with the VRX company, I'm not sure, but in my initial stage, right, I bought a lot of VRX stock, and at that time something bad happened, and then the prices are gone so much down, even though I did cost average on that particular stock, but that doesn't make any difference at that time. Still, it is really low prices. I think they recently changed name, I guess, but I'm staying away from those kind of stock. And I'm also following now percentage for how much percentage I'm allocating for that particular stock in that particular category. So that's how I calculate all the percentage, and then only I'm buying the stock. So I learned that my lesson from that is I shouldn't be holding bags only on few stocks. So that's the reason, like, right now I'm holding 71 stocks in my portfolio, and right now it doesn't matter to me. Like, for example, let's say if one company, even though if it goes bankrupt, it will not impact much in my portfolio. But if you are holding bags, definitely, you know that is something you always wanted to, you always want to consider it basically. So yeah, that's how I decided, okay, I should hold more of the stocks, because end of the day, any stock, when I say any stock, any good stock will give you same kind of dividend, or average kind of dividend. But if you diversify more, then definitely you will be minimizing risk. Now many people can say, hey, 72 stocks is too much and this is for stupid people. Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with that. If anyone can call me stupid, that's fine. I mean, as long as I manage my risk, because right now I feel like, I should be owning more stock, especially in this particular time period or economic cycle, and as well as considering my age and my, salary, etc. Right? So it totally depends upon your requirement. What are you in right now? That will always help out. What kind of stock you wanna own, right? I'm not in my 20s. I have family, with two babies, so definitely this makes sense to me, and that's why I'm having 71 holdings in my portfolio. So yeah, that's the reason, number one reason that I'm holding 72 stocks. And second thing is why I'm moving now to growth stock, or hyper growth stock. So this is what I felt. When I started building my portfolio, I started with proven company, value company. I mean, those are like solid company, right? I mean, for example, Procter and Gamble. I mean, I can pretty much bet on that it's not gonna go out of business sometime soon, because their products, anyways, we're gonna use it for really, really long term, right? So at some point, I felt like uh, if you wanna grow your portfolio, at some point, I need to own even hyper growth stocks. For example, skills. I own skills also, so I have shares on skills, Fubo TV. So those are like hyper growth. You can say those are SPAC, but yeah, I mean those can go really really high, and by the end of the day, my plan is once it goes up, then definitely end of the day I'll be going back again. All that money I'll be funneling back to the dividend stock. So that's what my plan is, and right now I'm not holding like bag on those back, um, but definitely that gonna help me, because right now what I felt is SPAC, all most of the SPAC are really in a good price right now. In fact, you are getting discount in some of the SPAC. It might go down. I might buy more, but at some point it will go up once growth stock you know start to go. Then there will be no limit, I guess. So yeah, so that's what I'm planning, and that's the reason I own 72 71 stocks right now, and why I'm with the SPAC. Yeah, so there you got it, guys. So today, if you want to talk about my portfolio, I'm having about 179 right now, and my projected dividends is, you can take a look on this one. So it is projecting me current quarter $1,000, and through year end it is projecting for 2,964, and yearly projection is 4,457. So my plan is I wanted to double this dividend basically. So instead of four, I'm looking around $8,000. So in coming months, I'll share with you guys what are my plans to how to increase my monthly dividend or average dividend, right? So yeah, that's all, guys, for today. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. All right, have a good day.